Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining again. Just a quick update on what's happening with the giveaway and a few other announcements, so we'll just get right to it. So my CBT's booked. I should have it done by Sunday, so that'll be that out of the way. Other good and bad news. Good news is this is going into repairs this Friday. Bad news is I don't know how long it's going to take to get them to repair it, depending on what damage behind the bumper and what was caused. Also, the hire car that I'm getting, haven't got a clue what it is, so I'm sure we'll have a bit of a laugh, and I'll post a video on that. See how what lovely car I've got to drive around for the next couple of weeks probably. Right, the giveaway tonight at 12 o'clock. I'm going to cut it off and then I'm going to start adding numbers to everyone's name, both on the EP3 and the Cupra R1. I just want to take the opportunity to thank everyone that's competed. The actual response from you guys watching it, especially from your Cupra guys, thanks a lot. I know I've met quite a few of you and that. Once everyone's got a number, obviously if I don't put a number by your name by accident and I miss it, please get in contact with me as quick as you can, to make sure that I don't actually miss you out. I might have overlooked it, or I don't know. Give me a shout. I'll leave a link. I'll pop a link here for my Instagram, and obviously I'll put my email address in the description as well if you need to send me an email. So yeah, so tonight 12 o'clock, the cut-off period. Any answers and any views and stuff like that won't count. I'm hoping this weekend I'll get a chance to do the video or the live feed. I've got my CBT Sunday. I've got to take that car up to Chesterfield Friday, so I've got quite a few things to do over the weekend, so I might not get a chance, so we'll just have to wait and see. That was just a quick update for you guys. Thanks again for all your subscriptions and all your funny comments about the chocolate rods and everything else. Thanks EP3 guys. I know I don't know a lot of you guys. I've not been on your group that long, mainly through a friend, but hopefully I'll have more content coming, EP3 and stuff like that, so I'll get to know more of you guys as well, and hopefully I'll be able to do another giveaway soon as well. So thanks again for all your support and everything and comments. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. With